Let's start. Former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and the People's President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and popularly known as Missile Man of the India. Missile Man of the India's why the peoples are also saying. It is a biggest topic for us and these sessions because it is very ones have to need to know about the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 1931, 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram at the state of Tamil Nadu, and he was this very brilliant student in the childhood, and he was belonging to a very destitute families, very poor families, because at that time his father was the agent in the boat. He was having this work in this boat. After that, sometimes later he had improved to ourselves through by selling the newspaper. Become that he have done their educations in Rameswaram's intermediates, matriculations, and after that he had done the IIT Mumbai's IITs and BTechs. After that he have done the MTech from their IIT Mumbai's, and after that he got at the rank of professors. After that having the PhDs, he have joined the DRDO Defense Research Development organizations. After that, due to the clearance of the fund, he got transferred from the DRDO to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organizations. He have done a lot of the development in his life. He was in tested 1988 at the nuclear weapons in Pokhran. At the times he was got success in his life, and he took the major steps against the ballistic missiles and intercontinental missile. He have researched a lot of the project like Prithvi, which was initiated in first, which having the capacity to surface air strike. In this, between this development, he have created first, second, and third Prithvi, and the range of the ballistic missiles was getting improved in first, second, and third. If we are talking about the Agni missiles, it is very less weighted and it's keeping 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers range. If we are talking about the BrahMos missiles, BrahMos is the world missiles which is developed by the two countries, India's and the Russia's. India, the BrahMos was named originated from the Brahmaputra river, Brahma, and Russia's their one nation or national rivers that known as the Moscows. These both names which add the name of the BrahMos because two countries have been adjoining to each others and make a missiles that known as the BrahMos missiles. Apart from that, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was elected the President of India. People are also known as the People's President, and he was elected in 2002 to 2007 for 5 years, and after that he was for the appointment at the president. After that, he gave the resigns from the president, and he gave the lectures at the giving the lectures. During that times, he was get affected by the cardiac arrest in IIM, Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. At the times, he was get to the cardiac arrest and he fell down on the floor and he got dead and he passed away. So these are of the biographies about the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's, and this is all about today's. And you like, comment and share to us, and never forget to subscribe for this kind of this video. Thank you. Bye bye.